Have you ever wondered, can AI really help you design a professional logo, or is it just another overhyped tool? Today, I'm going to show you my complete workflow from a blank idea to a finished logo in just 10 minutes. And no, I'm not letting AI do all the work. I'm using AI the way every smart designer should, as a creative assistant. Let's begin. The first mistake many beginners make is opening Illustrator immediately. A logo isn't just a beautiful icon, it represents a business. So before I design anything, I need to understand the brand. For today's example, let's imagine a coffee company called Mountain Brew. It's a premium coffee brand. The personality is modern, minimal, natural, and trustworthy. The target audience, young professionals and coffee lovers. Now that I know the brand, I can start generating ideas. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I open ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI chatbot you like. Here's my 3 prompts for icon, typography, and color palettes. I will put these prompts in description. You can copy it from there. Replace your information with bold part of prompt and it will generate icons, typography, and color palette. Put these prompts in chatbot one by one and generate icons and typography and color palette. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times to get multiple results. Let's start with the icons. Among the generated icons, mountains and coffee beans are commonly used, but I created a combination that's a little different. I'm choosing this icon and blending it with other icons like these. Next, we'll choose a font style for our logo. I think this one looks great, and we'll find a font that's similar to this style. Now it's time to choose the color combination for our logo and overall brand theme. AI has generated some beautiful color palettes for our logo. I think this palette is the best choice for our brand. We shouldn't limit ourselves to just one option. We can generate multiple logo concepts with different styles and explore a variety of design options. With the help of AI, we can generate mock-ups to showcase our designs to clients. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.